Alright, sorry for getting my late start this morning. I just was gone for a few days and trying to get back into the swing of things. Alright, here we go with the morning weather.
Well, ahead of jam-packed surface analysis, we got a warm front, cold front, and dry line in the south central United States, tapping into a lot of moisture from the Gulf. And we got a marginal slight risk of severe weather. Includes cities like New Orleans, Houston, Dallas, Texarkana. Best chance of scattered severe weather will be in that yellow bullseye. But if you're in the green as well, there'll be a risk of isolated scattered large hail, damaging winds, a tornado or two, all possible this afternoon into tonight. High near 76 in Houston. Seattle 48, our latest cold front completes its journey from the Pacific Ocean at some point today. Windy conditions over the waters, the coastline areas, rain, mountain snow out west, out east, starting the day with another freeze warning in Atlanta. You're at a high of 64 after a very cold start to the day with a low near 30. And we're watching for some moderate to heavy rain in the southeast United States, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Narrow area of moderate snow impacting a thin stretch of central Minnesota and northern Wisconsin, and potentially a little bit of accumulating snow tonight and tomorrow up in upstate New York. Got a couple of rounds of moisture, one in the central United States, and there's that round moving in from the eastern Pacific Ocean, just making its way on shore along the western coastline areas there. We'll have the best chance of precipitation there, some moderate to locally heavy rain. Can't be ruled out in some of the Pacific Northwest areas today. Some gusty winds in Denver as you're likely dry during the day, and we'll watch for that risk of severe weather mainly late this evening for Dallas.
Alrighties, so here we go over to my tablet, which hopefully will be working today. It's cooperating a little bit better than it had in the past. I deleted a few files and still doesn't work the way I want it to, but hey, what can I say? I'm not a techno geek. Alrighty, we'll start off with a nationwide traffic here. Not much is going on up here in the northwest. Right now we've got rain rolling through the area. A little bit of snow up there in the higher elevations. Not seeing any slowdowns up there on Snoqualmie or over there or down there in Oregon on Cabbage and Meacham and the Blue Mountain areas there in Oregon and stuff. But anyway, so go and zoom out a little bit here. Why are you cocked? I'm not sure why it tipped all of a sudden, but anyway. So yeah, the traffic seemed to be flowing pretty good across the western and plain states here. Actually, all the way across the country. From the rain they were showing there and the weather clip for the down there in Texas. I guess the Texans haven't gotten stupid yet and are driving somewhat sanely, at least for the moment, so there's no big snarl ups that I see and stuff, people crashing around and whatnot. So alrighty, we'll go and pop over here to the weather radar and see what's in store around here. Got a winter weather advisory above 4,000 feet. That's in southern Washington. 1 to 3 snow accumulations of 1 to 3 feet. I don't think so. I think that's probably supposed to be inches, but I'm just speculating there. I don't see 1 to 3 feet coming out of that up there. No, a few inches maybe. Feet, I don't think so. But hey, that's just me. I'm not a meteorologist, not a weather guesser. I'm just a former truck driver that is putting the weather into truck drivers' perspectives Not seeing any big alerts. I guess I got a wind advisory over there in West Texas from 10 a.m. this morning to this evening. Looks like 25 to 35, gusts up to 55 expected. That's portions of southeastern New Mexico and southwestern and western Texas. So, if you're light, be advised it's gonna get knocked around a little bit. That's like I say, the southeastern corner of New Mexico, and just east of the 10-20 split there, going up towards Midland and down towards San Antonio. So, what do we got up here north of Amarillo? Another wind advisory, 35-mile-an-hour gusts. That's until 6 p.m. this evening. That's not interstate, so it's probably just the aftermath of that storm that's rolling through that neck of the woods there. What do we got going up here in Wyoming? Another high wind warning. 30 to 40, gusts 65. And that's going to be 25 north of Cheyenne and go figure, Elk Mountain area. Can't let the Elk Mountain area out of that one. Looks like I got a band of snow tracking across the Eau Claire area over towards Green Bay there in Wisconsin. So we got a winter weather advisory, significant bands of snow across northern Wisconsin through this afternoon. Snowfall of 1 inch an hour possible. 1 to 3 inches. So, plan on slippery road conditions and hazardous driving conditions. Could impact the Monday evening commute as well. So, visibility starts to drop, slow down if the roads are covered. Well, increase your following distance. Wait and watch for somebody to do something stupid so you can avoid them. That'd be my advice on that one. Not seeing much else in the way of weather alerts. What's going on down here in Atlanta? Oh, high fire danger. Relatively low humidities. So, if you're out there using your barbecue to barbecue up some wieners or some steaks or whatever, don't dump your coals out. Go and wait for them to cool off before you go and dispose of them. Just and don't go and do like that one driver did to one of our drivers. Went and dumped his coals out in the parking spot, pulled out. Our driver pulled in and ended up didn't realize there was hot coals there and backed on top of the hot coals and set his trailer on fire and burned his trailer up. So, yeah, that would not be a good thing to wake up to, is your trailer on fire and people pounding on the side of your truck letting you know that. So anyway, okay, well, that's about all I've got for this morning. So y'all take it easy, have a safe one. This is Greg and signing off. Stay safe, stay out of the ditches, and stay out of Bonehead Truckers YouTube page. Later.